Very good morning, student. In properties of quadrilateral, our today's topic is sum of interior angle of a hexagon. Okay. So all of you know that what is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon. Now today we will learn about that what is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon. Okay. Very simple. Means you have to use the similar method of the pentagon. Then how to solve this is the A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a what? Hexagon. All of you know that what is meant by the hexagon? Hexagon means the six-sided closed figure. It is called as a hexagon. Okay. Now in this A, B, C, D, E, F hexagon, what is the sum of this interior angle? All the interior angles. What is the sum of this? All the interior angles we have to find out. Okay. So see here, student. This hexagon is divided into the four parts. Okay. This is the first triangle A, B, C. Another one is what? A, C, D. Next A, D, E. And the last one is the A, E, F. These four parts we have to combine. And then you have to get the sum of the interior angle of a hexagon. Okay, student? Now how to very simple method we have to use here. So what is that? We have to add this all. First you have to consider the first triangle A, B, C. Okay, what is that in triangle A, B, C? And which angle contain the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to. All of you know that what is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? What is that? 180 degree. So what is that? We have to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. You have to write given the equation 1. Now second come to the another this triangle A, C, D. Which angle contain the angle 12, angle 4, angle 5. So what is the sum of angle 12 plus angle 4 plus angle 5? It is also the 180 degree. Equation 2. Another one. Next A, D, E. What is that? Which angle contain? Angle 11, 6 and 7. Angle 11 plus angle 6 plus angle 7. It is also the 180 degree. Equation 3. Again last one is angle A, E, F. Angle 10, angle 8, angle 9. So angle 10 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, student? Now we have to add this equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Add this equation 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Equation 1. Then angle 12 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus then angle 12 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus last angle 10 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 is equal to. ठीक है? ये जो स्टेटमेंट इसके पहले के यहाँ पे लिखिए. आपको क्या पे लिखना है? सीधा लिखना है. Okay? Then 180. We have to add the LHS side now. What about the LHS side? 180 plus 180 plus 180. 180. How much? Add this all the 180, 180, 180. What is that? यहाँ पे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो 180 डिग्री प्लस 180 डिग्री प्लस 180 डिग्री प्लस 1 डिग्री. Another reason you have to directly write down their addition. Okay, what is that? 0, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32. Carry 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 720. What is that? It's a 720 degree. Okay. Now. Okay. So it is the sum of this all the. It is the interior angle. You have to get interior angle. No. So we have to all the angles we have to rearrange properly according to this figure, given figure. Okay, student. So what is that? Angle A is divided how many parts? 4 parts. So what is that? 1, 12, 11, 10. So we have to connect this all the 4 angles. Okay. Which one? Angle 1 plus angle 12 plus angle 11 plus angle 10. इसको bracket में means you have to understand which is that. It is angle A. Then plus next one is the angle B is what? Angle 2 plus angle C contain again 2 parts. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Then angle D, angle 6 plus angle 5 plus angle E, angle 7 plus angle 8. Okay. Now angle F, last angle 9. Okay. So what is the sum? It's a 720. So what is that? Angle A, angle 1 plus angle 12 plus angle 11 plus angle 10. It is what? Angle A. So we have to write down the in front of इसकी जगह पे क्या लिखना है? Angle A. Okay. What you write? Angle A. So what is the angle 2? What is the value of the angle 2? Angle B. Then angle 3 and angle 4, it's angle C. Then after that the angle D plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is what? Angle E. And last one is the angle 9 is what? Angle F. Is the sum is what? 720. Okay, so what you get here? Sum of the interior angle. Sum of an interior angle of a hexagon. It is what? 720. It is the proof of this equation. Proof of this statement. Understand, children? These types of very simple method you have to use here. These types of we have to prove the. These types of we have to obtain the. What is the sum? Interior angles is the sum. Okay, student. This types of we have to solve this. Solve this statement. Understand? So what you do is all the equation. Is all the proof with diagram. You have to mention in your notebook. Okay. Now student, important result of angle sum property. Okay, regarding to the angle sum property, we have to give some important rules and important formula. Okay, you have to say that the important formula. Okay, so see here very important formula because in this the first exercise you have to use this all the formulae. Okay, so listen carefully. Sum of interior, first one is the sum of the interior angle of a three-sided polygon. Three-sided polygon. Which one is a triangle? So what is that? It's a what? What is the sum of the interior angles of a three-sided figure? Three-sided polygon. It's a 180 degree. Okay, it is a fix. Then another one. Sum of the interior angles of a four-sided polygon. Which one is a four-sided polygon? Is a quadrilateral. Okay, what is that? It's a 360 degree. Then another we have to take a square. Okay, then it is also the 360 degree interior angle, four-sided polygon. Last one is the third. Sum of not a last one. Sum of interior angle of a five-sided polygon. Which one is a five-sided polygon? Pentagon. What is that? 540. Okay, this is the important result you have to given. Okay. Now fourth one is a important result. Fourth is a sum of the interior angle of a six-sided polygon. Okay, what is that? Sum of the interior angle of a six-sided polygon is a hexagon. Which figure? So what is the sum? 720. Okay, now we have to prove what is the sum of the interior angle of a hexagon. It's about 720. Now next one is a sum of the interior angle of a n-sided. Listen carefully, student. Sum of the interior angle of an n-sided polygon. N-sided means the, suppose we have to given the how to means which type of question we have to given. N-sided means we have to given the any side we have to given. Means we have to given the any side, four-sided figure, five-sided figure, six-sided figure. Okay, so we have to find the sum of interior angle of a n-sided polygon. So you have to use which formula? Twice n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree or multiply by, it is also the right angle. Okay, right angle means what? 90 degree. So what is the formula? Twice n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. What is that n? N is the number of side of the given figure. Okay, and last one is each interior angle of a regular n-sided polygon. What is that? Which formula? Each interior angle निकालना. Sum interior angle निकालने के लिए which formula you have to use? Twice n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. And what about the each interior angle? Each interior angle you have to use which formula? Twice n minus 4 twice n minus 4 upon n multiplied by 90 degree. This formula you have to use for the each interior angle, and sum of the interior angle you have to find use the which this twice n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. This formula you have to use. Okay. Okay, we have to give us this types of example, general example. Each we have to find the each interior angle, any each interior angle, and we have to given the value of the n. Value of the n is equal to 8 sides, 7 sides, 6 sides. Any we have to given, use a formula and put the value and solve it. Okay. So what is the each interior angle formula? Which one is that? Twice n minus 4 upon n multiply by 90 degree. Okay, student. So see here, put what is the value of the n? N is equal to what? 8. So 2 multiply by 8 minus 4 upon 8 multiply by 90 degree. Okay. Now solve. 8 to the 16. 16 minus 4 upon 8 multiply by 90 degree is equal to 16 minus 4 is what? 12 upon 8 multiply by 90 degree. Okay. So how to solve? Multiply this one. 8 is divisible by 90? No. So what? What do you do? 12 upon 8 multiply by 90 degree upon 1. So multiply. 12 9s are 108 0 1080. 12 90s are 1080 upon 8. Divide. 8 1 is 8 minus 2. 3s are 24 0 5 40. Okay, so what is the angle? It is there is a 135 degree. So what is the answer? 135. We have to find out the which angle? Each interior angle. Understand, students? When you are given the 8 side, then you have to find the this types of any side you have to given. You have to use this method and solve. Okay. Now, student, next topic is a exterior angle of a regular polygon. Okay. What is the exterior angle of a regular polygon? Our first topic is a exterior angle of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Firstly, you have to see the interior angle. Now, exterior angle. Equilateral. This is the equilateral triangle. All of you know that what is the equilateral triangle? All sides are equal and all angles are equal. It is called as a equilateral triangle. Then, what is the sum of the exterior angle? All of you know that exterior angle. Exterior angle means what? Outside angle. Interior angle means the inside angle. So in this ABC equilateral triangle, each angle of the equilateral triangle is what? Interior angle 60 degree. Then how to find the exterior angle and what is the sum of the exterior angle of a equilateral triangle? Okay, students, see here. So each angle. Each interior angle of an equilateral triangle. What is that? Is equal to 60 degree. Everyone knows that. Okay, interior angle is 60 degree. Then, see here, student. See this given figure. What is the angle? A is the exterior angle. This one is the exterior angle. Okay. Then is the C. Which one is the? This one is the exterior angle. And in the B, which one is the? This one is the exterior angle. Okay, student. Now see here, all of you know that this angle. Which angle? What is the name of this angle? It is called as a linear pair angle. And what is the sum of what is the measurement of the linear pair angle? Is a 180 degree. Okay, so you have to apply here. This is the angle. This angle is a linear pair angle. So you have to use here. What is that? Interior angle is about 60 degree. Then how to find their exterior angle? Then students, see here, each exterior angle of an equilateral triangle how to find out? All of you know that you have to apply the which linear pair angle. It is a linear pair angle, it is a straight angle. Okay, and what is the measurement of linear pair angle? Is a 180 degree. So what you do, all of you know that it is this 180 minus 60, you will get what? Exterior angle. Okay, so what you do? 180 degree Directly minus 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to what? 120 degree. So what is the exterior angle? Each exterior angle of this equilateral triangle is what? 120 degree. Okay student? Now find out the sum. We have to find the sum. Sum करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? This 3. How many angles are here? How many exterior angle? 3. So this 120 multiplied by 3. You will get the answer. Okay. So sum of exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by 120 degree. You know about that each exterior angle 120. So what is the sum? 3 multiplied by 120 degree. What is that? 360 degree. Okay. So what is the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle? What is the sum of the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle? Is a 360 degree. Understand? So each and every statement and all the proof with diagram you have to note down in your notebook. Okay. Now student, exterior angle of a square. How to find out the exterior angle of a square? What is the sum of the exterior angle of a square? See here, all of you know that a square, four-sided closed figure, and each angle is what? 90 degree. Everyone know about that. Okay. And this is the this figure. This is the outside angle is exterior angle. This one also exterior angle. It is also the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle of a B. Okay. Then each angle here, each interior angle. Each interior angle of a square. What is that? It's a 90 degree. Okay. Now, each exterior angle is what? 90 degree. Then, how to find out the interior angle? You know about the interior angle. Then, according to the interior angle, suppose you have to know about the interior angle, then you have to find out the exterior angle by using what? Linear pair angle. Okay. It is a linear pair angle. This one is a. Then, each exterior angle of a square is equal to, what is that? 180 degree minus 90 degree. How much? It's a 90 degree. Okay, so what is that? It is a 90 degree. It is also the 90 degree. It is also the 90 degree and it is also the 90 degree. Okay. Now, exterior angle, what is that? 90 degree. Each exterior angle of a square is 90 degree. So, sum of the exterior angle, sum of all exterior angle of a square is equal to what? How many angles are there? 4. So we have to multiply by this angle is 4. 4 multiplied by 90 degree. So what is that? It is also the 360 degree. So exterior angle, sum of the exterior angle of a square is what? 360 degree. Understand student? It is also you have to mention in your notebook. Okay. Now next student, exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Okay, regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5-sided closed figure. Now first you have to find what? This is a pentagon. This is the interior angle. All these 5 interior angle and it is a inside angle. Exterior angle. Sorry, exterior angle. Okay, so it is a B, C, D and E. Okay, student. Now see here. First we have to find the each interior angle of a pentagon. Okay, all of you know that there is a formula. Twice n minus 4 upon n multiplied by 90 degree. Now student, exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Okay, So how to find out the exterior angle? What is the sum of the exterior angle of a pentagon? This ABCDE, it is a pentagon. This is all the four inside angle, interior angle, and this all the exterior angle. Okay. So first we have to find out the each interior angle of a pentagon. Okay. So which formula you have to use? Each interior angle is the formula twice n minus 4 upon n multiplied by 90 degree. What is the value of the n? N is the how many sides of the pentagon? 5. So we have to put here the 5. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 90 degree is equal to how much? 5 is a 10. 10 minus 4, 6 upon 5. I directly write here. 6 upon 5 multiplied by 90 degree. Okay. See, 6 multiplied by 90 upon 5. Okay. So 5 is divisible by 90. Which one is that? 5 1 is 5. Okay. So which one is that? 5 divisible by 5 is divided by 90. So 18 is 90. So 18 multiplied by 6 is what? 108. 18 6 are 108 degree. It is a 108 is what? Each angle of a exterior, each exterior angle. It is a, what is that? 108. Okay. Each exterior angle of a regular pentagon is what? 108. Now, according to that, we have to find the what? Exterior angle. How to find out 180 minus 108? So, what is that? How to find out here? 180 degree minus 108. It is the each exterior angle. What is that? 180 minus 108 minus 2. It is the what? 7. What is that? 72 degree. How much? 72 degree. So you have to find out the exterior angle. 72 degree. This is the exterior angle of a pentagon. 72 degree. Okay. Okay, you have to see in your textbook given the detailed this concept, exterior angle of a pentagon. Okay, by using this textbook, you have to note down in your notebook all these concepts. Okay, and 180 minus 108 is equal to 72 degree. Okay, now each exterior angle of a pentagon is 72 degree. So, what is the sum? Sum of exterior angle of a pentagon. What is that? How much side? 5. So 5 multiplied by 72 degree. 72 multiplied by 5. How much? Multiply. 5 is a 10. 7 5 is a 35. 360. Again, what is that? It's a 360. 360 degree. So again you have to find the sum is a 360. So all the angles, exterior angle, which angle? Sum of the exterior angle of a pentagon is 360 degree. Okay. So again you have to use the textbook. अब तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में पूरा डिटेल दिया है, ठीक है? टेक्स्ट बुक को यूज करना है और पूरी ये जो कंसेप्ट है अपने नोटबुक में लिखना है. Okay, student. Now again we have to given the see student in your textbook we have to given the last one is the exterior angle of a regular hexagon. Which one is the exterior angle of a regular hexagon? So you have to try. It is for the homework. Okay. जितने भी मैंने कंसेप्ट अभी तुमको पढ़ाया है सेम वही सेम प्रोसीजर you have to use this concept hexagon. You have to find the what is the sum of the exterior angle of a hexagon. Okay. Each and every concept you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, next concept and exercise we will discuss in next week. Okay, thank you so much.